Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to charge your Oura Ring. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their Oura Ring. And so with that being said, I'm going to show you how to charge it. So first things first, you need the Oura Ring charger, which looks like this. And how it's going to work is that they do provide you with a USB-C cable. So simply take your USB-C cable, plug it into the charger, make sure that it's on a stable surface, and you want to take your ring and you want to make sure that it fits tightly into the charging platform. So I normally just twist it around until it locks into place. So there you have it. Now my Oura Ring doesn't move around as much anymore just because it's locked into place. But that right there is how you go ahead and charge your Oura Ring. So things to keep in mind, you want to make sure that you prevent your ring's battery from reaching 0%. And in addition to that, you want to make sure that you charge your ring above 50% before storing it. And also avoid leaving your ring on its charger for more than a week because overcharging it can actually damage it as well. But with that being said, thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.